In this video, an instructor will update the learner milestone. The instructor needs to send Alberta registries the milestone information when a learner completes a DTS course. On the course and scroll down to the course completion section. In the section to submit the course completion, you will use the drop-down choices. First, choose the driving school, and the learners' names who successfully reached this part of the course are displayed in the next drop-down, so you'll choose the student next. As soon as you choose the student, the next screen will show their information along with their full name, their MVID, their date of birth, and their driver's license number. At this point, you click the button Update Milestone. The milestone confirmation will now appear. Congratulations, you have just updated a milestone for a learner.